Can you respond whether I'm audible or not?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Let's get started. And sorry for the late. So I'm keep informing them to start on time, but I don't know. It's already late for 15 minutes. But anyhow, without any further delay, let's get started. So last session we have discussed about Ansible, right? So how many of you are comfortable installing? Did you face any issues, concerns? A few were complaining about timing. So actually, you guys are overloaded. That's what I got last update. So that's why we are not dealing much topic. But today we are going to deal 3 hours completely. So let's see how you guys will accept it. But anyhow, we have to take much time as you guys recommended. So I'm going to start my Ansible master box. Where is this? I have my node machines, but not actually master box. I'll be starting this box. I'll make it as a master. So meanwhile, any concerns installing Ansible?
Sorry, ma'am. In previous class, I was not present because of some problem happens in my office. So,
Okay. Did you
uh,
follow the recording?
yes, ma'am. My previous class, I have followed the recording, and
Okay.
I will do the installation part also.
Okay. Now also I'm dealing the installation part. Within just 5 minutes, I'm going to finish. So if you are having any question, just ask me. And Jyoti Prakash, what about you? Have you done installation or not?
Hi Pavni. Actually, this week I didn't get in time to cover up on this. But tomorrow I'll practice with this previous and this session also.
Okay, please do.
Yeah, actually, sorry for that.
No problem. But you know what, with Ansible, practice is very important. That's the only key point you have to do. Anyhow, I'm just repeating the installation part again, then we will be going with the scripting. It takes only 5 minutes to deal installation parts and not more than that. So I'm just going back to my Ansible. And Rupa, what about you? Did you try to install? This is my master, Ansible master, and vi host. So in this host I need to add entries of all 3 machines. I'm repeating the same step again, okay? Because my master box gone, so I do not have. So I'm entering all the entries here, and this is a IP address of my one of the node, and the third one also I'm entering. It's done. The same step I'm going to repeat in another missions. So connect it to your node missions and do the same. You guys, please remember these steps, okay? You don't even believe, I recently attended one interview. They even asked about the installation steps, how master node are communicating. So when you do practice, then only you will be able to remember. Otherwise, it is very tough to remember. So please follow, okay? If you have any questions, please reach out me. So the first step is connecting servers, okay? So how I'm connecting with my servers? With the help of ping. So ping is a packet internet grapher which we covered in Linux. So when I am entering the etc file entries, so all servers are communicating with the help of ping connection. So this step is will not be like a commander ansible, but yeah, it's very very important, okay? So the same way I have to do it in last mission as well. It's a kind of second time we are doing, okay? So it's actually advantage for you because nobody is installed. So first step, I'm still in first step. Chinmay, are you understanding what is this step is? Because you missed the last session. Rupa, what about you?
Ma'am, I'm trying to understand
Hmm.
when because I didn't install all the things whatever you have explained in previous class.
Okay.
Uh,
Don't
tomorrow
worry.
I will
I will
tomorrow.
explain. What I am doing here is under etc path there is a host file. Under the host file all three private IPs of the machines and names I am giving server1.abc.com. Server1 is a short name. You can give any name. You can give Pavni1 here, Pavani, whatever name you want you can give. So these are all just names. These are all the private IPs. Why this step? This step is to establish a ping connection, okay? And second step, I'm installing ipl. With the help of ipl, what you can do is ipl is one of the package manager in Linux. So what it is doing is it is having all the related softwares of Ansible. So ipl is very important. I'm installing ipl. Yum hyphen y install this I mean install ipl hyphen y. Amazon Linux extras. We are using Amazon Linux extras. Means we are using Amazon Linux to AMI. That's why we are using Amazon Linux extras command to install my ipl. After that, I'm updating. So when you want to update, yum update hyphen y. Again, finally, I'm installing all the softwares and install Python, pip, Ansible. So let's install all of them. So once that is done, I'll be checking the Ansible version. So Chinmay, you have any questions?
No, ma'am. No, right.
You are clear? Now you are getting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please ask me. Don't hesitate to ask you questions because I know sometimes we will miss, but still.
No, ma'am. I will ask because whatever you have explained previous class, no, I didn't see that. Uh,
Okay.
so
Now check this Ansible version. Ansible is installed. Now why it's not coming? Come, my console is really slow. Yeah. So Ansible is installed. Now what is the second step? Inventory. So inventory is nothing but a keeping all your node IP addresses. So open this inventory under slash etc. There is an Ansible folder. Under Ansible folder there is a host. Under host here is a inventory. So anywhere you can keep. I'm just keeping anywhere. So here private IPs of two machines I'm adding. Where are my private IPs of these machines? So these are all the private IPs. In inventory file I'm adding. And also last time I have set up even including master nodes, but the problem is I just deleted unfortunately. So that's why I'm just doing the same step again. And finally go to slash etc folder. There open SSH folder. Under SSH folder vi sshd config. Under sshd config password authentication no, permit root login yes, you have to give these two parameters, you have to edit, otherwise master will not be able to communicate with the nodes. Okay. Chinmay, if you are not understanding, Monday I will have some time, so you can reach out me through any of your link, Google Meet link or anything, uh, up to you, so I can explain architecture to you. I know how difficult it is without base. You try from your end, but please Monday reach out me if you have any questions. I can connect with you, 20 minutes I can explain to you. Okay, if you are
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
understanding.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving the
Yeah,
time.
but please let me know. Okay, I don't want you to miss this topic at all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I will. Means today only I will go through the all the recording and whatever doubts are occur, I will ask you.
Yeah, please, because this you won't understand, other people will understand because they already knows the steps. So I'm copying the key to my targets. Where is this VI authorized case? This key is a old key, this is not valid, I have to edit this. I'm just deleting this key. The same way in other server also you have to do node machine. I'm done. Save it. Now go to your master machine. Now you have to check working or not. So go to etc folder. Under etc folder there is Ansible folder. Under Ansible folder Ansible hyphen m ping the IP address. So Ansible is able to, I mean, with Ansible you are able to reach out to your nodes or not. It is checking. This Ansible ping. This is different. Normal ping is different. Don't think that both are same because both have a different identity. So when you use this, what will happen is this command Ansible hyphen and ping command is using Ansible module to communicate with my nodes. Okay. Now one is successful, other one also I'm checking. So this is also probably will successful. Yeah, it's successful. Okay, now let's create our script. Mkdir playbooks directory I'm creating. We already done with few of the playbooks, so variables we have done. So on top of that we are going to discuss other modules. Jyoti Prakash, did you remember where we have discussed where we are actually last time?
Yeah, yes, we need to start from handlers.
Right. What about Rupa? Rupa, did you remember where we have stopped last session? Rupa, are you there? Okay, fine. So now handlers. So this is my target section and this is my task section. Under my task section, I have three tasks. So there is a condition customer given. You are my customer. What's the condition is whenever there is a change in index.html, restart the service. That is a change customer given. So whenever there is a change, restart the service. So that's a change customer want. So if there is no change, please don't restart. That is a condition. So that's where I'm using handlers. What is handler in Ansible? Handler in Ansible is used to restart the service. So what it is restarting? For example, imagine there is a change in index.html. So what will happen if you use Ansible? So it is actually finding out whether there is a change or not. What how it is finding out? So with the help of notify, it is finding out. So notify is one of the module. So with the help of notify, it is finding out, and notify will be informing to handlers restart the service. Notify and handlers will go hand in hand. So look at that. Notify, you also have a message restart httpd. In handlers also you have a message restart httpd. That's how it is synced. If any change is there, definitely notify will be informing to handlers. Handlers will be starting the service. I'm creating my playbook. Getting or not? Whenever there is a change,
M-
handlers will restart. Jyoti Prakash, are you getting?
Ma'am, the notify are what means they are the logs or what, ma'am?
Notify is not a log. Notify is just like a identifier. How it is identifying is uh, it is checking index.html every time. Yes, there is a change. Notify will be notifying that. Notify will be informing to handlers, please restart a handler, please restart service because there is a change in index.html. It is just identifying the change. Getting?
Yes.
Ansible hyphen playbook and the playbook name. This is what execution. So with this command you can execute. So Jyoti Prakash, are you getting this or not?
Yes, Pavni, I have one doubt here. Index.html that it has some changes, right? But the
Yeah,
changes in the sense data
data,
inside
right?
that site.
File.
If
Yeah.
any changes data,
Mm.
then it will ask to handler. It can
Yeah.
handle, right?
Right, exactly. That is what happening.
Okay, 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 got it.
Now again I'm going to create another playbook, okay? The other one is ignore. So if you would like to ignore if particular step, how to ignore, imagine some step it got failed, some I have given some wrong file. Instead of index.html I have given index.html something I given which is wrong. So I would like to ignore. So how to ignore? You can keep ignore underscore errors s. When you keep ignore underscore errors s, so what it is doing, it is ignoring the particular step. If you want to ignore other step, again ignore underscore errors s you need to give after the step, then it is ignoring. So let's create this playbook, and I would like to fail this playbook because I want to showcase you whether it is really ignoring or not if step is there. So I'm giving some wrong file index.html something data, I'm some wrong file name I'm giving. So let's see whether it is really ignoring or not. You tell Jyoti Prakash what will happen. Tell me the error why it is failing.
Now we have given wrong that HTTP DD something we have given.
Okay.
For that reason, I think it is failing.
Right. How to ignore this step? That's what my question.
So ignore underscore error. We need to keep it as yes.
Right. Let's keep it then. And I think Jyoti Prakash, I got a update from the management. I mean, somebody is saying like sessions are taking less time. Who is I don't know whether you are somebody, because I got an update and whether they were asking some commercial, I mean, payments. So I who updated also I don't know. I'm just asking. Who I mean, I don't know who informed. So you guys need more time or how it is per day? How many hours do you want? Anyhow, today I'm going to take more time.
No,
So
Bhavni. I have nothing.
okay. So it is ignoring. You guys are clear, right? And Rupa, I don't know whether she is listening or not because she is not responding. Chinmay is attentive whenever he joins the session. And yeah, of course, you will always attentive. But Rupa, I don't know. Yeah. So look at this, it's ignoring. See? You are getting right how it works. Getting?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Correct.
Okay. Now we'll go with the next model. Template I will be handling at the last because before handling template, I would like to discuss other things as well. So this will be last. Today we are going to deal lot of scripting. Okay. Please practice. This is my humble request. Whatever you feel, these many times I'm telling, just for your sake, I'm telling, not for my sake, really. Okay, the next module is loop. Usually, if you would like to install multiple packages, how do you install? Somebody asked how I can install multiple packages. So, with the help of loops, it is possible. So, how loops works, we will see. See, this is my target section. Obviously, it is same. This is my task section. Under my task section, M module I'm using. With underscore items is a keyword I'm using. Under with underscore items keyword, httpd, curl, and wget. Three package names I'm using. So these three packages I'm trying to install. So with underscore items, httpd, curl, and wget. Okay. So with the help of M module, I will be able to install. So here the keyword is item. Whenever you are keeping the keywords, you have to keep in a double curly brace. Getting?
I'm here
Yes.
become yes. What is the use of yes actually means? It is a condition like things or what, ma'am?
Hmm. I will explain to you. But Jyoti Prakash, did you remember what we discussed? I just want you to recollect.
Become yes, right?
Yeah.
So become yes in the sense, if you are not giving it, then it will give something like that. It will fail, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that I can remind. Mm,
Okay. So become S is nothing but here. What is the meaning of become S is whenever master is trying to perform something. So if you use become S, what will happen here is master machine logged in as a some user. Master machine logged in as a Chinmay user. Okay. Who am I? If you check, master logged in as a Chinmay user. Okay. So Chinmay user will be becoming as a root. So that is the reason why you have given become S.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I got it.
Got it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so now this playbook is going to install multiple packages. Let's execute.
I'm here multiple packages type means how many time it will uh,
Until unless whatever packages you have given that should complete. If you give 100, all 100 packages, it will make sure that it should install. So after installing all 100 packages, then only it will terminate the loop. Until unless it will keep repeating the loop.
if the respective package already installed in my
It
device.
won't. Now in this case, all three packages are already installed. So in this case, it won't do it again.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I got it.
Yeah. Any other questions?
No question.
Okay, then fine. So I'll be going with the next one. Then next one is what is the next one? Vault. So how do you provide a security to your playbook? Let's imagine you have some confidential stuffs in your playbook. What are the confidential stuffs, by the way? Imagine you have some like kind of security passwords and all you have. Imagine. So in that case, how do you actually secure them, right? So you have to secure them. So how do you do? So how do you do is with the help of vault you can do. So vault is a special mechanism if you would like to secure them. So you can go ahead and set up vault. So if you use vault, what it will do, it will encrypt your entire playbook. So when you use this method is, for example, if you have a lots of confidential data inside playbook, for example, if you have a passwords inside your playbook, then you please go with the vault. So vault is a mechanism. If you have a lot of confidential stuff, then use vault. With the help of vault, what you can do, you can actually provide a better security to your playbook. Look at there, I have my playbook, I can read my playbook whatever I have, but after applying vault you could not be able to read anything. Why? Because it is encrypting. What is the meaning of encryption? Converting playbook into non-human readable format. So it is converting your playbook, you would not be able to read anything. So that's where vault works. So understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's execute this. Okay, so now I would like to execute this playbook. Let's execute. Ansible hyphen vault encrypt. Playbook name is vault.yml. It is asking me to create a password. I'm creating a password. Now look at that playbook. I won't tell you how to answer. What did you understand by this? What did you understand by this? Did you understand this playbook actually? No, I'm just asking
No.
you. Don't worry. If you are not knowing, or
Mm,
fine. Just try to answer. That's it. I'm not going to say anything for sure.
no, ma'am. Cannot understand.
No problem. I'll explain. So it is encrypted. Your playbook is completely encrypted. Why? Because you have used Vault. So with the help of Vault, you will be able to encrypt the playbook. So your playbook is completely encrypted. Completely. So you will not be able to see what is there. So once you encrypted, so you, with the help of Vault, you will not be able to read anything. That's it. Now you got both.
Pavni,
Yeah.
yeah, Pavni, we are handling on the command, right? Not inside that file
Yeah, we are handling through command. You have encrypted. You created
command.
a password for your playbook.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, suppose I want to see that particular file and in a readable format after encryption, I can read or
Yeah, you can do that. You can do. Again, you can descript it. I'm going to discuss the command. So far, you are getting right.
yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll deal that description. For example, okay, if you would like to change the key, okay, how to change? So you can change this key with the help of edit keyword. So edit is the option you can use. So with the help of edit option, you always can edit this. Okay. So let's see how to do. So I'm going to edit this. The same command I'm using, but I'm going to edit the password, or you have to use rekey option. So if you would like to change the password, rekey is the option. Old password you have to give, and the new password you have to give. If you would like to, oh, it's not matching. Getting? Why it's not matching? Password do not match, description failed. Let me rekey it again. Yeah, it's successful. I'm not giving the right one. My on my keyboard, actually A is not typing properly. So that's the reason it's keep saying please do it correctly. Okay. So now you got it right how to change it.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions, anyone of you, or any doubt?
Reiki, we are using Reiki for the decryption,
Rekey is for changing the password.
changing the password. Okay. What about that decryption? If we want to see back,
Description I'm going to show you.
okay.
So now I'm going to change the playbook into normal format. Getting? It is asking me to enter the password. So once I enter the password, then only it is cat. Then getting or not, you guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what I'm going to deal is the next module I'm going to deal. See, this is how it works. So we just need to play around all these multiple times. Then only you will be good with. Otherwise, you are like stuck. Okay. So that's the reason I'm keep asking you guys. Please just go ahead with the practicals as many times. The reason why I'm keep asking you to do practicals is you have to remember, not me. So when you practice, then only you will be able to remember actually. Okay. So any questions? Still, you guys need 5 minutes break to analyze, or how do you want?
Pavani, these all are strict. Huh?
Actually, in
According to
real time, what
the,
exactly we are using the same things I'm dealing. This is what we are executing in real time.
okay, day-to-day life, we need to write these kind of stuff.
Yeah, you have to.
Okay.
Hmm. Any questions? It's very easy until unless you are practicing. It's very difficult if you are not. So that's the only trick. I can max what I can do. I can explain again and again. But practice is in your hands completely.
Just without practice, nothing.
Yeah, that is what.
Only for the maximum package, if we want to install, then is there any limit of that or
No, 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 you can install
anything we
as
can?
many. As many.
Okay, okay.
Ansible does support anything. Any questions you guys has so far? You guys ask me if you have any. If not, I'll continue.
No question from my side.
You're good with all this. Okay, that's really cool. What about you, other one?
Uh, right now I'm something I'm getting, but I need
Okay.
to practice it.
I'm really sorry. I don't know how can I help you now, but after definitely yes. Right now I don't know. I don't have any idea like how can I help you at this moment. But I'm trying my max to for you
Yes,
to
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
understand. But you connect with me, you will definitely understand.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. And okay, shall we go with the next one?
Yes.
Okay. The next one is also interesting one. You guys need any break? Okay, fine. So I'll be going with the next one. So the next one is also interesting. Okay, register. So how to actually store your output of a playbook. So with the help of register module, you can do. So register is one of the module where you can store the output playbook. So completely, if you would like to store the output of a playbook, so how can you do? With the help of register module, you can do. So register is a module. So where you can store your playbook output. So that's where register module comes. So here you are using two things. One is register to capture the output of a playbook. Other one is you are using a debug. So debug module is used to display the output. So register is used to capture the output of a playbook and debug is used to display the output of a playbook. Look at the playbook for 1 minute. You observe register and debug module. Then we will execute. If you have any questions, ask me.
Pavani, for the output means like if we are installing HTTPD
Hmm.
and after installation it will show the result like it is installed, right? And
Yeah.
what kind of output it will show if
Yeah,
we
it
are
is
giving the
actually
message.
showcasing you to, you know, kind of details, master machine details. It is just actually having the machine details. Master machine details it is capturing.
So without this register
Like
output, it will
master
not
machine is
show.
logging into node machine as performing, right? So what actually it will capture is it is just logging towards to node machines and capturing all the details. So each and every detail it will capture. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
your screen got disconnected.
Okay, I will be sharing again. So the question for you answer is, so it is actually capturing all the details of your machine, node machine details it is capturing.
Okay.
So I'll execute, you will get to know more better. Let me execute this. So just read this last two lines, register and debug. I'm going to execute. So I'll be sharing my screen. Are you able to see this playbook or not?
Yeah, your screen is getting loaded. Yeah, now we see.
Okay, fine. Now let's go ahead and discuss the other things as well. So now I'm going to execute this playbook. At the end, we will see the output of my playbook. Let's see. Where is master vi register dot yml, and then see it's executing. At last, you will see the output of my playbook. Getting or not? How at last you see output of my playbook, and like every each and every machine details it got captured. All this, including each and every detail, it got captured. So that's where it works. Getting an idea? How does it works?
Yes.
All detail. Okay, that's what this module works.
Mm, okay. In the real time, like what for the register,
Hmm.
what we can do? Anything we need to see or something like.
No, it's not like anything. It's less like a node machine details you can see. Node machine complete details you can see. Like each and every detail, CPU, RAM, everything you can see. Every detail.
Okay, is it necessary to write this module?
Is it necessary to?
Or is it necessary to write this module every time in the code?
Not necessary. If customer is asking, you can. If not, then just don't. It's just not necessary for sure. For if somebody is asking about it, yeah, please go ahead. If not, then just keep it. It's just up to you. Like, how do you want? Again, customer requirement. It's not like necessary. It's not mandatory for sure. I only keep whenever
Okay,
customer
got it.
needs. So not every time.
Got it. If a customer wants to see all these things, then we can
Yeah,
mention those
we have
only.
to. And also
Okay.
now, also one more update I have to give to you. The way you are asking questions are really reasonable. That is valid question actually. Of course, when I say something, you won't just listening. You are just cross questioning. You are just clearing your doubts. That is what I want. And Chinmay, he's also he just asked one question like how many packages we can give. So that's what you have to raise the questions. That is what learning path. That is really good. Both of you doing very well. So just keep it up, okay? And any questions?
No question.
Are you sure?
Yeah, as of now.
Okay, now I'll be going with the next ones if you do not have. Okay, so let me talk about the other ones. So this is all about register module, and I'm going to talk about the next module. So I'm today we are going to finish this Ansible, okay, because we have a lot of time, and you guys, if you guys practiced, at least I will ask you to share the screen and execute the playbook, but nobody has installation, so I thought to do that, but again nobody is installed. So anyhow, I have to go with the session. If I take less time, again you people were telling, okay ma'am's taken less time, so again I don't want any such things like that, so that's why I'm just continuing with my flow. Getting right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, now what I have in next. So in next, what I have is I am going to explain about tag. So tag is very useful. So how tag works, we are going to see. So how tags works is Let's imagine there is a situation. So the situation is, you would like to control the playbook execution. Playbook execution is sequential, means it will execute step by step, but you would like to control the playbook execution. So how do you control the playbook execution? So with the help of tags you can do that. So before discussing tag, just have a break for 2 minutes and we will discuss. Okay, have a break for 2 minutes, get some water and join the scene. 2 minutes, I'm going to take a break. నైన్కి బ్రేక్ ఇస్తా డిన్నర్ బ్రేక్ ఉంది కదా అప్పుడు చల్లకపోతురా అప్పుడు నేను వెళ్తాను నిజంగా వెళ్తాను ఇందాక చేసిన చాలా వేరు ఉన్నాయి రెండు చట్నీలు పెట్టారు వైట్ బాగుంది వీడియో కాల్ చేస్తారు ఈరోజు అదే నాకు ఎవరైనా తెలిస్తే నేను ఐడి నాకు మెసేజ్ చేయి ఫాలో అని చెప్తాను స్లిప్ 4 5 9 కల్లా అయిపోయింది అమ్మాయ ఎక్కడ హైదరాబాద్ ఎక్కడేంటి మా అత్తలు ఎక్కడ తెలియదు మా అత్త హిందీ ఇంగ్లీష్ వరకు మాట్లాడదా ఫ్రెషరా పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ టెస్టింగ్ guys, I'm back. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
Okay, so let me talk about tag, which is very important. So basically what tags will do, so tags are very powerful because I always play with the tags, only the reason I can control my playbook execution. By the way, anyhow, what sort of control I can do from my end, because let's say I want only one step to execute, I don't want all steps to be executed. That is what my requirement. So how can I handle? So with the help of tags I can handle. So what tags will do is, every tag is having a tag name. So with the help of this tag name I can control this. So how I'm controlling is, let's imagine, uh, let's say I have 100 tasks, but 100 tasks I want to execute only one task. Okay, that is my requirement. So how I can execute is, each and every task after giving, I am giving a tag name. So with the help of this tag name I can control my playbook execution. So what I do is, in general, so when I would like to control my playbook execution, so I will be calling the tag name in this playbook. After completion, after the task, I'm giving the tag name. So when I'm giving the tag name, my playbook is using the tag name. With the help of that tag name, it is executing. Let's say second task, third task, whatever task I have all my tag names. Getting how tag is executing?
Yes,
You guys
ma'am.
are clear? So let's say I would like
Yes.
to execute only second task. Which tag I have to use? Just guess it. Just guess it. Take a guess. How can I I just want to execute only second task. So which tag I can use? That's the question.
Configure.
Right. I would like to skip third task. So to skip also which tag I have to use? Third task I would like to skip.
Then service we need to use.
Yeah, right. So you remember whenever you use tag, with the help of tag, either you can skip a task, either you can execute a task. That's where tag works. Getting questions?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now let's go ahead and do the same. Now I'm going to execute this. So I'm going to create my playbook. So how I'm creating my playbook, I will showcase. So let me create my playbook. Copy this and again give here. Just I'm giving only playbook name. Okay. Vi tags dot yml. Okay. I'm creating a playbook. You guys are not getting any noise, right, from my end? You guys are getting any noise from my end? Please let me know. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, ma'am. You can hear
Can
you.
you guys are you getting any noise from my end other than my voice?
Yes, ma'am. Some little voice, ma'am.
Is it
Please
okay?
manage.
Fine. I'll just try to adjust with this. Ansible hyphen playbook and the playbook name hyphen tags and install. I'm calling only install task will execute, not all the task. Okay, only install task, not all the task. So only install. If I would like to skip skip tag, just you have to use skip tag. So if you use skip tag, so only install is excluding every task is executing, copy and everything. So that is where skip works. And what about others? Other is if you would like to start from a particular task. So what you can do, Ansible playbook tags.yml start task. So you can use this start at task option. So it is starting from copy index.html, which is second, and continue with all. Finally, Ansible playbook tags.yml step. It is taking each and every step confirmation. Yes, no, continue. If I give no, it won't execute. If I give yes, it will execute. If I give continue, it will continue with all the tasks. Just give continue. It won't ask confirmation again. Just continue. It's continued. Okay. This is how it works. Getting?
Ma'am,
Yes. Continue.
can you please show me the last tag actually? I didn't get.
Step step. Continue. If I give C, it will continue with all. It won't ask my confirmation. That's where continue works. Getting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is like a label name. I think whenever you are calling that label type, you can do that
Yeah,
particular.
right. Yeah, your comparison is right. It's label kind of. Any questions? Are you guys are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now I'll continue with the other things. Other things were very interesting. Let's say conditional. Yeah, other than conditional. We can go with the conditional, then include. So let's say if the condition is true, then playbook should execute. Playbook task should execute. My condition is if the operating system is matching with Red Hat, then install the first task. If the node operating system is matching with Ubuntu, then which is Debian, then install Apache 2. So if the condition is true, then statement will execute. So usually in programming languages we have a different conditional statements, but in here we do not have a much conditions, but yeah, when conditional statement you have with the help of when. So if operating system is matching, then you can install a particular package. So this is how it works. Getting or not?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. But here conditions are like what, ma'am? Here you have put in like install HTTPS. Okay, ma'am. Okay, I've got it.
Right. You're getting right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Any questions on the same? Do you have?
Ma'am, here you have mentioned as Ansible OS family. This is
Huh.
like a variable or what, ma'am?
Yeah, exactly. I'm expecting somebody to ask this because I'm not going with the next one. Ansible underscore OS underscore family is a default parameter. So this is called OS information. So Ansible is using setup module to capture this information. So gather facts information. Gather facts when you execute a playbook, it is capturing the all the platform information of my playbook. You can see.
Okay, ma'am. Means it is a predefined, I think.
Yeah, right. Look at there gathering facts. First task will execute as a gather facts. Where it is? Oh, let me go with the other ones. See, gathering facts, which is nothing but a Ansible underscore OS underscore family. All the details it will capture. Getting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Any questions? If you have, ask me please.
So inside that Ansible OS family, everything will be there. Like if we mention that one, then it will install. Right?
Correct.
Ma'am, and I think that
I no need
the
to mention it's Ansible underscore OS family is already there. I just need to choose the parameter. That's it.
ma'am, it is, I think where it will in which operating system it is working, that it will compare and it will
Yeah,
install.
right. Node machine operating system, it will check. What is my node machine operating system? Right now, my node machine operating system is this Red Hat. So install the task. Compare. Yes, it will do.
In the node machine or in that particular machine?
Node machine,
Ma'am,
target node machine.
okay, okay.
Okay. Any questions? Concerns, issues, doubts, all are same. Why I'm saying all this? Shall I continue with the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now I'll be executing this. I have not executed. Let me execute this. Vi ven dot yml. Actually, tomorrow I'm not connecting with you guys. My mom having a surgery, so I needed to be there. So it's very impossible to connect because I'm also in hospital along with her. So I could not be able to connect, and I'm extremely sorry for this because I can't even skip.
No, it's no. Hello.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible. Jyoti Prakash, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, yes. I think Pavni disconnected.
Yeah, I'm connecting. Just a second. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, ma'am. You can hear.
Yeah, what I'm saying is tomorrow I will not be connecting because my mom have a surgery. So tomorrow I am also there in hospital. I really can't take tomorrow session.
It's okay,
No
ma'am.
problem. It's okay.
Yeah, but anyhow, next weekend and next week Saturday Ganesh Chaturthi is there. I don't have any issues to take, but I need to check with the management because everyone is on leave who will start our sessions recordings. So that day I don't know, like because most of the people won't join as well. Okay, that's the second update. We'll see. Today, please let me know because I'm keep continuing. You guys are complaining that I'm not taking much sessions. I mean, much time, not much sessions. So that's what I'm continuing. If you guys are overloaded, please ask me. Pavni, please stop. Then I will see any other topic, theoretical topic is there. Getting right?
But Pavni, we have not compared. I mean, I have not done any complaint regarding time.
No, no, no. I'm not saying to you. I'm being very honest. I don't know. Management is asking for collecting money and all. Two people are pending. I don't know. I can reveal the names or not,
From
but
my
I don't.
side, my side is pending. I
Yeah, they were
think.
keep asking me, please check in the sessions, but I'm not that kind of a person for sure. This is something they has to deal. I don't have any right to say or ask. I can't. I really can't. So they were telling people are when we ask the fee, they were telling people are complaining that you have not
But they
taking.
have not. But they have not asked me for the second like, yeah,
Oh,
installment.
is it? I don't know. Like what's
Yeah.
going on. I'm being very honest. I don't know. Anyhow, that is not a thing from my end to deal anyhow, but I'm just telling you guys, if you are overloaded, please tell me. If you are not overloaded, also please tell me. I'm ready to take your inputs. Okay. So it is installing in one machine, two machines, which is like Apache 2 is skipping because we are not using Debian machines. Okay. Observe this. This is skipping. Getting the first task is okay because already there. Red Hat is okay, but Debian is skipping because our machine is not a Debian. Getting
Yeah, okay.
any
Yes.
any questions? Please be make sure this is very very important. Okay, fine. I will continue with the next module, which is template. So, what is template? We will deal. So, template in Ansible is just a file. However, you are using copy module. In similar way, template also you have. But what's the difference between copy module and template? Template is substituting the values. So, how it is substituting the values, we will see. For example, imagine I am going to copy a file from source to destination as like copy module only. Okay, as like copy module only, you are trying to as like copy module I'm trying to copy source to destination. So here I'm using template actually, but what's the difference here and template copy and template is copy, just copy it, nothing it will do. But what template also offers is template is substituting the value. For example, I'm copying a file xyz.j2 to my destination. Okay, xyz.j2 file is having ansible underscore node name. Ansible underscore node name is a configuration parameter. So with the help of this configuration parameter, what I can do is I can be able to fetch the value. And what is the actual value of Ansible underscore node name? Ansible underscore node name is something ABC, XYZ, whatever. It is just substituting the actual value. So template is using .j2 file. So .j2 is nothing but a Jinja2. So it is using the Jinja2. So this is all about template. So look at the content and the file and let me know if you have any questions.
Ma'am, these two are similar or ma'am different? When according to my understanding, you are telling that copy means the whole content will be copy, and the template, I think some add-ons will be happen.
No, template is copying only, but the add-on is substituting the value is the add-on.
Okay, 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 ma'am.
Template will substitute the value. That's the add-on. Jyoti Prakash, are you clear?
Yeah, I have doubt like substituting in for what case we need to substitute.
Ansible underscore node name is there. Ansible underscore node name has some value. Ansible underscore OS family has some value. CPU has some value, right? So that's what it is substituting the values.
If we want to substitute any value, then we need to use .j2
Yeah,
extension.
right, right. We have to use .jet extension. You are right.
Okay, okay.
So we will see. Okay, we will execute and we will see. That's where you will find it out. I supposed to execute, then only you will understand. If I talk like this, you won't. It's like after this, few theory topics also I will deal. Don't worry, okay? Uh, then again, you will be comfortable. I'm creating .j2. It is saying why. Okay, I should execute this template file. Why I'm executing XYZ. Now log into Node Machine. We will see the file. It got created by the way. See, it is substitute the value. I'll keep both the files side by side. Now you observe. Why? Okay, the highlighted one and here you observe.
It is giving the private IP.
It is an actual the Ansible underscore node name value is this. Okay, Ansible hyphen m setup. Uh, I have to execute this in master box. This is my master box. Ansible hyphen m setup is a module which is capturing all the platform information, and node private IP is this. So when I'm using this node private IP, now grep OS. I'm trying to see what is the Ansible underscore OS underscore family value. OS this. What is the value of node name? We can also fetch node name. See, node name is this. So this has substituted the value. See, this and this value both are same. So it is using setup module to capture the data. So if you would like to capture the platform information of your node machine, Ansible hyphen m setup and node private IP you can use. Clear? This is
Yes.
all platform information of your node machine. This is all. Any questions?
So you're doing running the scripts in node 1 or node 2?
No, no, I'm running in master, only in master. Only template file copied XYZ. That XYZ I just ran in node. Everything I'm running in master. Whatever command is starting with Ansible, you have to run in master.
So the template file is created in node 1 or node 2 and be run in master.
Automatically create master logged into the node machine. Template main file is created under master machine. This template file. But this template file copied this file to your node machines and substituted the value also.
Okay,
Server
yeah,
name
got it.
is, yeah. Chinmay, you have any questions you are getting or not?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know. Today I'm just asking continuously. You don't hesitate, but I'm thinking about you. You missed last session whether you are able to understand or not.
Yes, ma'am. Somehow I am understanding, ma'am.
I'm resharing my screen. Reshare. Yeah. Fine. So shall I go with the next one? Include module.
Pavni, I have one doubt. Just I
Yeah.
want to clarify this.
Yeah.
That is,
Please.
whatever we are doing, right?
Huh.
So the creating template file and module, vault, everything we need to do in master, right?
Yeah, we have to execute from master. Master is logging into node and doing the task.
How it is doing the task in
That is
node
what you
machines
set up.
because we
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 can,
do did that connection, right?
right,
SSH.
right.
Okay. Got it.
Your question is clear.
Yes,
Yeah.
I.
Now, how to call another AML file inside your playbook. So this is a very powerful. So I would like to call another AML file inside my playbook. How to do that? So with the help of include module, we can do. So include is also a powerful mechanism where you can keep another AML file inside your playbook. For example, I would like to call vi playbook name is what name I have to give? Include. Okay. Same name I'm giving, include.yml. I would like to call my another YAML file into this playbook. For example, install.yml, another YAML file I have, I would like to call create install.yml. Here I'm installing a software called what I have to install. What I have to install? Install git. Okay. Name install git. Okay. Now, yum module. Name equal to git state equal to install. So name equal to git state equal to install. Now you just go ahead and execute this ansible hyphen playbook include.yml. Already include.yml having install.yml and it's executing install.yml. That's it. It's so simple. Cat include. See how it is working. It is if you just call the name of the playbook, it's working. Any more
Pavni,
questions?
what is the purpose of this include? Like,
You can call another AML file inside your playbook. The same AML file you can call it in 100 playbooks also. Reusability. That's the use case.
okay, okay.
Yes. Chinmay, you are getting right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, role. I'm not dealing now. You will be scared of it if I deal everything in one go. I'm not dealing role. I'm dealing other theory topics, which is also very interesting. How many total Ansible hyphen doc hyphen L? There are so many modules are there. Please don't worry, hundreds of modules are there. But this is the command to list out all the total number of modules. Okay, Ansible hyphen doc hyphen L. For quit, just Q. Now the most asked question is, let's say you have a playbook, okay, ansible hyphen playbook, and playbook name is include only I'm taking. How many uh, Target nodes, it is executing at a time, it is executing at a time in 5 nodes by default behavior. No, no, I would like to execute in 10 missions. No, no, I would like to execute in 100 missions. No, no, I would like to execute in 1000 missions. Just give the number. So if you give hyphen hyphen folks, it is executing in all the time. I don't have 1000, but I'm just telling you, it is ad hoc level, playbook level. What if you want in a global level where you can execute? So under Ansible folder, if you check, okay, under Ansible folder there is a ansible.cfz. Under ansible.cfz you're gonna have folks. Here are the folks. By default it's 5, but you would like to change to 100, you can give 100. You would like to change to 1000, you would like to give 2, you would like to give 10, you would like to give whatever number you want, you can give. So here is a fork option, you can change. It is like a global level, all playbooks. It will be applicable to all the playbooks. This is all about playbook execution. In how many number of nodes do you want? Go ahead with your questions if you have.
Ansible CFG, this is a configuration file, and we need to enable that one box. While if we want to execute 1000, then we need to remove that as to
Right,
enable.
you are right. Now, one, two more theory topics I have. So, shall I go with the two more theory topics for today? Shall I? Or you guys are overloaded? Or because I'm not keeping this role. If I keep role, definitely you guys will be overloaded. Role and line in file module, only two things left. I'm going to deal in next session. Okay. But shall I go with the theory topics?
Actually, I am overloaded.
You please tell to the management we are only overloading. That's what we are asking them. Try not to pause this because somebody is telling. I don't know, like Chinmay, if you don't mind, did you said this to management? I don't know who said. I'm
No,
really
no, 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 ma'am. I am unable to join. How can I tell, ma'am?
I'm really sorry, but I'm asking this. You know what happening? I don't want to take any blame. For example, my mom's surgery is tomorrow, so still I have taken session. I have a lot of tensions in my mind. Still, I have to travel. I have to catch my train. Still, I
Y-
promise to
y-
connect with you guys. Only the problem is, you know what? Uh, Definitely, if possibility is there, definitely I will take max. But you guys are only telling we are overloaded. I don't
Uh,
know, like who said, but whenever management is asking the fee, this is the answer you guys are giving. So
no,
I
ma'am, no.
not discuss this, reveal this fee section is not my business. But they asked me to confirm with you guys. That's what I'm asking. Otherwise, I don't really mind. Okay, I can always help you out if you're stuck somewhere. But if you are overloaded, I will connect with you next week. If not, then I'll continue. What you guys want, Jyoti Prakash and Chinmay? What do you want? You please
Actually,
tell.
I am out. Yeah, actually, I am outside. I come to hospital today
Oh, I'm so
to for checkup time on.
okay,
So
okay,
now I'm actually outside. I'm taking session on mobile.
okay.
So
I understand. So what about Chinmay? I have to take your decision as well. What do you want?
Ma'am, I was agree with that. Ma'am, this much is enough. You can close.
Okay, please tell to the management if they ask. Please don't blame
yeah,
me
No,
because you
no,
are.
ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, what about now me?
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
no, ma'am, I was unable to okay, whatever the class has been taken by you in the last session. I am
Yeah.
totally unable to take your class. So
No,
how
no.
can I complain?
What I'm telling is, you please go with it. I will connect with you. It's my responsibility as well. So
Yes,
please
ma'am,
give
yes,
me
ma'am.
a call. Please send a mail. I will call you, or we will connect with Zoom or something. I will make a workaround. Then we will see. Okay, I will definitely explain to you what is Ansible architecture. I would like to, because you are very proactive in sessions. You would learn something. So that quality I really like. If somebody wants to learn something, I should help. So that's what we should do. So even I always follow that. Okay. Okay, guys, that's all from me. And tomorrow no session, and again apologize. this is very important day for me because tomorrow I have to be in there. So that's the reason I'm canceling tomorrow's session. Okay, please go ahead and learn this. If you have any questions, ask me. And both of you, if you face any difficulties, let's say if I'm teaching too much fast, ask me. If I'm teaching too much slow, ask me. How do you want, very slow or very fast or moderate?
Um,
Moderate is fine.
Is
Yeah.
yes,
this
ma'am.
fine? Is this fine, or still you want? How do
Ma'am,
you want?
yes, today's session is fine, ma'am. In this
Okay.
way,
What about Jyoti?
Yeah, sure, sure. With
Uh,
moderate we can. This is fine. Yeah,
okay.
it's yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. And Rupa, I don't know where you went, but still, if you have any, reach out me. Thank you. And let's connect next week. Thank you all. Have a nice one.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank